Hey, this is Dominic with SCS. Keeping your ESD mat clean is essential for performance, but using the wrong cleaners can ruin its properties. Let's go over some do's and don'ts for cleaning ESD work surfaces. Always clean your ESD mats with a specialized non-silicone ESD-safe cleaner, like our charge guard wipes. Cleaners with silicone can leave an insulative layer on the mat. These are designed to remove dirt and residue without affecting conductivity. Don't use alcohol or harsh cleaners. Alcohol, disinfectants, or other harsh cleaners can dry out the mat, damage its surface, and reduce its ability to dissipate static. Do use a lint-free cloth or soft wipes. These help remove dust and contaminants without leaving behind fibers or residue. Don't scrub with abrasive materials. Avoid rough sponges or scrubbing pads. They can wear down the mat's surface and reduce its lifespan. Do clean regularly. Routine cleaning prevents buildup of dust and debris, keeping your mat effective for static control. You will have to replace your matting more frequently if it is not cleaned consistently. Finally, do check resistance regularly. Use a resistance meter to verify your mat is still within spec after cleaning. Your resistance to ground should be less than 1 × 10⁹ ohms per ESD TR53. Remember, keep your ESD mats clean the right way. Catch you on the next one.